Oh, hi Bhavesh. How are
Hi,
you?
Vishal. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, fine, 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 fine. So it's a Bhavesh from Gujarat. Okay, so we just met friend from the LinkedIn. Okay, I just an ERP application yes made. Okay, so Bhavesh, can you introduce yourself? What all you doing? What are things?
So I'm currently working as a techno-functional consultant. I'm running my agency called Nesscale Solution, where we are
Okay,
doing implementation, customizations, development for the ERP Next and the Friday framework. Apart from
oh,
that, we do the utility apps like the one which we are going to discuss, which is ESS, but we have other application as well, like point of sale and all that. So yeah,
okay, okay.
around
And
I
7 years, 7 years you have been in the same industry and the same year working on the ERP next.
Yes, yes, yes. So I am like I started my career with ERPNext itself. So yeah,
Okay,
so around
okay.
after college pass out, I started ERPNext until now I am in the same tech. Yeah,
So you love the force.
yeah.
Okay,
So started accidentally, but yeah, now I think everywhere I use only ERPNext and the Fairway.
okay, okay, okay. I think very recently we met through the LinkedIn. So because I was excited, I'm been in the industry around 4 years, but we do the consultation for functional process consultation. We are firm
Okay.
called that to Insight. Okay, so we're doing the along with that we are more focused on the SME, small and medium scale business. So where I found we're used to Zoho. Zoho is one of the application we are doing, and we found the many cases it's limited, and we found the ERP next. Some large enterprise when it come to the large enterprises. So it was an accident, and I was excited about your application ESS
Okay.
because yeah, I am very excited about the ERP next, but it's like it was when you come to the small and scale sector at many use cases it's possible to ERP next, but it's very heavy. What I feel it's very heavy to use for small scale industries. So
Okay.
that time I met your application. You build an application for the interface, backend applications working as a ERP next, and front end you made with one Flutter application. It's
Yes.
so user friendly, and you given a demo with that. So I
Yes. Yes.
thought all ERP next users I want to understand that there is an application. It's very useful. It's very really useful because what I
Okay.
feel right nowadays people want to mobilize things very easily, and in the new generation and everything it's not like someone using the laptop and entering the things. The entire scenario is changing. People are
Correct.
traveling, and people are traveling, they want to things very accessible. And ERP next as a web based responsive application, but even though there are I felt a very limitation to do things. So I
Yes.
always think to have such an application and backend with the ERPNext, it boosts up the 100% double or what actually
Correct.
the ERPNext can deliver the value, and that is great. What I feel. So I
Yeah.
thought we just introduce this application as a user. I can ask you many questions. So
Okay.
someone thinking about application, they will think what are the possible, what are the limitations. So I thought we can have a discussion so users can get idea. So I'm fresh about this application. My question may be more relatable to them also. So can you share the your ESS application, uh, so we can discuss what all the function can available, and what are the limitation also. Definitely I'll consult limitation, but as a functional consultant, I'm more focused on what are the specification you do rather than the feature. People will say the many
Okay.
features are there, what is the specification actually, what that can deliver the value.
Got
So
it. Got it. Yeah.
well, yeah, we can
Okay.
check that.
Okay. So I'm going to share my screen.
Yeah, I will stop my screen.
Okay. So let me know if you can see my screen. Yeah, I think
Yeah, yeah,
it's
I
visible.
get it. Yeah.
So I'm running right now in a simulator. Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Is it visible to you, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it's visible. It's very visible.
Okay. So I'm starting from the, let me just log out our demo. Okay. I will start from here.
Yeah. So this application we can where we can download. You have a link, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So we have this on App Store and Play Store available, and we have
Yeah.
specific actually website as well for the ESS. So I will add that as well. So in
Yeah.
that you can get all the information about features and everything.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So we have like here we have ERPNext URL. You can enter the URL of your ERPNext. Either it is on hosted on Frappe Cloud or
Yeah.
on
It should be in
self-hosted.
private cloud.
Yeah.
If external host, it's possible.
Yes, yes, yes,
It's possible. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you registered with us, so there is a link to register for ESS. So it will redirect you on our website where you can just fill the registration form and you will get your account ready. So from there you can get your registration complete for the this application. But
Okay.
apart from that, we have like so after registration you get your application code as well. If you don't want to enter the URL every time, you can enter the code. So that is there. Then we have some other options like if you are not you just want to try the app, you don't need to register or anything. You can just click continue as a user
Oh, yeah. That's
and
nice.
it
Yeah.
will directly redirect into the system, into the application. Okay.
That's okay.
So,
Okay.
so I will go with the demo user for now. Okay. So
Okay.
I will just click on the demo user and it will redirect you on a dashboard page of the application.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So any dashboard, any insight is available, like dashboard.
So we have basic actually manager dashboard right now in the app. So where like manager can see like how many people check in today under like the team member in under the manager can see like how many people the employee check in today, how many checked out today, how many is not checked in, how many on the leave. So all that the insights are there. But we are planning to add some more insight like the CRM, like the accounting, which will be useful for the other employees. So we are adding that too, but
Yeah,
yeah,
currently it's more related to the
HR side.
HRMS. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so we
So I have
have
a small question there. If HRMS have some customization or something, yeah, no, no, it will come after the dashboard. We'll continue. Okay, okay, okay. We'll ask.
so so we have like some basic greeting message and all, then check in and check out. So check in, check out, we have multiple the settings available. So
Okay,
for using this app, I think I should inform that first. Like, uh, for using this app, you have to install one custom app from Frappe Cloud Marketplace or our GitHub. You just need to install on your ERP Next hosted environment. And after
okay,
that, this application will work because in that we have written all the the settings and the APIs for this application.
okay, okay.
Okay. So in that we have like if I tell you like I will just go to the one ERP side as well. So we have once you install the app from Frappe Marketplace or
Yeah,
from the GitHub, you will see new workspace in your ERP Next instance, which is ESS Mobile. In
okay,
that, you will see all the features which we have, all the doc tag which we created under this application. So that all you can able to see here. So inside that, we have one setting page, which is actually a very large setting page now. So you can able to control many things of the application from here. Like if you want check-in with image, if you then you can enable this. Okay. If you want turn off location validate. So if you don't want to turn off, you want employee can check in from particular geographical area or the geo it is all about
I
geofencing.
got,
So
I
this,
got,
yeah,
I got.
yeah.
Okay, okay. So
So yeah,
once it's installed in mobile application, it automatically our ERP application will be updated with this customization, right?
yes.
Okay, okay, right, right, right.
Okay. So
I
yeah,
see multi languages there. It's multi-language is possible, different language.
yes. It support multi-language as well.
So user can like all the button and everything will change. Like
Yes.
Yeah,
For example,
it's
if we go here, and if I change to this one, like this is the Arabic language, then it will change all the place. It is even the the RTL. Uh, but
yeah. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
so all the labels are changed. The value currently in this, the in the English, so that's why.
So
Uh,
you have any Arabic clients? Anyone
we
using?
have, we have.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Okay. So coming back to the dashboard. So yeah. So we have checking, which is like standard. You can check in and check out. So either with image, with the location that you can setting up from the employee self-service setting page from the
Oh,
ERP Next.
okay.
We have like this one. I think we can come later. This is like different feature which will come into the dashboard as well.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have other feature like we have expenses, we have leave, payrolls, and many other features like orders, quotations,
Yeah.
attendance requests, shift requests. Yeah,
Yeah, first I thought it's an HR application check-in, check-out. Then I realized that there is a much possibilities other orders can manage. So
yeah.
I think I think still you're adding the features, right?
We have many other feature in a plan. Like we currently in the next version we have like lead. From the lead you can able to create a quotation. From the quotation also you can able to create orders. So right now we have individual. You can only create a quotation, but from quotation you cannot create a order. But in the new version we are adding that as well. And also we are planning to add a sales invoice to complete the sales cycle.
Okay. So it means you're using the CRM like Zoho CRM, Frappe CRM, or FCRM, or old ERP CRM.
Currently it is old ERP Next CRM.
Next CRM.
Yeah,
Okay. I got. Okay.
yeah. So if I go, let's say, for example, order, okay, I just want to show you like how it is working, how the inside the form it look like. So we have only the field which is required to create a sales order, which is available. Like you can select the warehouse, you can select the customer, and you can add the item. So in the top we have categories, in the bottom we have items. So you can add the as many as item you want to add for that particular. Right now in this item group we don't have any item. So once you select, you just click on add item. You will get everything here. If your the tax rule is setting up correctly in the ERP Next, you will get your taxes here, subtotal, total, and that's all. Yeah.
Okay, any possible to get image over here? Item image? No, not right now, right?
Right now it is not, but yeah, we can able to add. Yes, it's a
And
good.
I have one more doubt. If you have a multiple dimensions, okay, for the selections, you can consider dimensions. If I have a three dimensions, or it automatically UI will be changed. Any chance like that?
As of now, no, but we are actually planning to add a custom field. Like user can define their custom field for particular form, so that
Yeah,
maybe in the end of this month will be added into this app. So they
yeah.
can select the field which they want to add into this one.
So I can map that in the application custom field with my ERPNext interface. So that
Yeah.
option also will be selected here. Yeah, that will be
Yes.
great, because I
Yeah.
think the dimension is the more important things right now, multi-dimensional accounting and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. And even we get many, the review from the customer, like they have only one custom field in the sales order, and that
Yeah.
is very important for them. So they want to add that field inside the app. But
So
right now we don't have that possibility. So because of that, they are not able to use this feature.
yeah.
So we
For,
thought
for
to,
example,
add
right
that.
now somebody is onboarding, they have a specific requirement. Will you do the customization, or they want to use the vanilla version only? How it works? Any specific user customization you are providing? Is it possible? No.
Yeah, so we have another plan for that. Like we have white label plan. In that we do all the customization. If they want their branding, they want their own features, we do provide that too. So we did many actually. I think
Oh,
till now we have 7 or 8, the white label clients who want their own features. So we did for them.
I got. It's very nice. Yeah. Okay. We can move
So
forward. So we can create a sales order like that. Yeah.
yeah. So if I go through the each like some just feature highlights, so we have like we have standard list view. So if you see in any pages, we have a proper the list view remains same everywhere. So we have the general components for each and every list view. Uh, then we have a detail view for each the leave we have this kind of detail view. From
Okay.
there, user can able to view, user can able to edit it. They can add the comment as well. So that is there. And if we have like leave application, like you can apply for the leave like this way. You can see all the your balances when you apply.
Okay.
You will get your the approver name and all based on the setting you setting up into the Frappe HR. So that's how it will get your the all the settings. I think I already mark the same day attendance, so I cannot able to. So in this app, we use the same validation which we have in a Frappe. We not write any our own validations. So whatever the validations available in Frappe, that the same validation message you can get here.
Okay. I
Yeah.
got. I seen the expense module, right? In expense
Yeah.
module, like normally it works like in Frappe is normally expense work like journal, right? So you have created an expense module and mapped with this. It will work journal, right?
No, this expense is actually the
HR module
employee
expense.
expense. Yes, yes, employee
Ah,
expense.
okay. HR expense.
So,
Okay. I got.
yeah, but we have another the one which you are asking, which is a petty expense is there, which is linked with the general. Yes.
Linked with the general. So it's
Yeah.
linked with this
Yeah.
one.
Correct.
Mm.
So you can just select if you have if you know the supply name, you can just write the supply. You can choose the expense account, so you will get all the expense account. You can choose the mode of payment and the amount, you know,
If the
and if
GST bill is there, GST that will work directly, not here. Okay,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got. Yeah.
So
It's
yeah,
not
you can able to,
and everything. It's important. Yeah,
yes,
we have put just expenses. Yeah, right.
yeah.
Okay.
We also have a the task management. So here this is a project module of ERP Next. So whatever
Okay.
the task created by I mean assigned to you, you will get it here. Even you can create the task and assign to someone. So if you know the project, I mean, if you want to select the project for the task, you can select the project and write the subject and the yeah, you can assign to some like let's say I want to assign this to the Nilesh, I can assign this to Nilesh and I can put the due date like it should be finished by Monday and I can create the task. And this task will assign to Nilesh. Even they will get Nilesh will get notified as well. And whatever
Okay.
the task created by me will be visible here. I can see the progress of that task. Even I can open and comment it out like how's going. Okay. So that is
Task assigned to me, or you some task assigned to somebody also you can view here.
yes, yes,
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
The project task only. All the to do. All the to do will come.
Right now only project. So project and the task, not the to do one.
Okay. I
Yes.
got.
Yeah.
Okay. And to do is will be useful, right? To do also need to bring, right?
I think the last call when we had like when we discussed and you mentioned that. So after that, I told team to add that too. So they already the completed the design part. So maybe in the coming version it will be there. The 2D is there.
Okay.
Yeah,
I got. Yeah.
yeah. So apart from that, I think we have the standard functionality like the leave, the payroll. So payroll is like if you want if employee want to see their payslip, the component what they have whatever the components in the salary slip they have, they can see here and they can able to download it and keep for their
Nice.
internal. I mean, they want to use somewhere, they can just download and use that. So
And
that is there.
that template and everything from the Frappe what we set up, right? Download.
Yes. So this will the default template which you set up for the seller slip. The same will be used here.
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
Then apart from that, like we have attendance module where
Finance
you know
module. Yeah.
employee can see their the complete month attendance, like how many. So the red one is the the absent one, the green one is the present one, and the current one is the blue. And there is a day off, if there is a the holiday or something, then that will be light yellows kind of. And when you select any when you do the check-in and check-out, based on that, your check-in and check-out will be visible here, how many work hours the total work and the date and all that. Yeah, the other information like check-in and check-out for whole day, from where you did check-in and check-out will be visible here.
Okay. Okay. So it will help to somebody working the route, right? It will help to do
Uh,
that. Yeah.
I think not for the route, but yeah, if they want to see like from where they did the check-in, where they did the check-out, so that is how they can use. Right now, we don't have any route kind of thing in the app,
So,
but
yeah, yeah, I think you can consider like because some if you are implementing CRM, a CRM if you have a somebody if the customer visit and everything check-in option will be fine because in
yeah,
job role it's a too much requirement I can see. People
okay,
want to track where they check in check out. It will be helpful
yes,
if you can implement that in CRM module.
yes. I think I am planning, but I'm right now what I'm thinking is to make, the whatever the feature we have, just make it more, accurate and stable. So
Yes.
almost we have 10,000 plus users right now using this application. So it's almost, proven, but still we have some more improvements we are doing at the back end level and the front end level. So yeah,
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. It's a it's a viable right one right now. Yeah,
yes. Then Then we
yeah.
have transaction, which is like the ledger kind in the ERP Next, the ledger we have general ledger, the same UI we are giving here. So this is useful for the employee if they want to see like what is their balance currently. But even the employee, the salesperson, if they want to download any customer, the statement. Let's say this customer want a statement, they can
Mm.
download the statement right away from the app and the share with the customer. So
Okay. How
yeah,
the speed? So it's such a fast. I feel it's very fast right now because sometime I feel in the very slow in general expense, general ledger module. So I feel here
yeah.
this fast. How the time in any delays happening or perfect or what do you feel?
So it's the same performance you will get, what you get in the ERP Next. So it's all depend on how your server configurations and all. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So if you are getting response time slow in General Ledger in ERP Next, then also it will impact here as well. But
Oh,
yeah, it's all depend on your server configuration.
okay. I
Yeah.
got. Yeah. Okay.
Then we have orders. I think we already visited that one.
Yeah.
Then we
Yeah.
have visit. So we did visit we are modifying now. So we are adding more things as you mentioned. So like we are doing like customer. I mean the user can plan their route, like where they will visit, which client they will visit. So all this we are doing now. So we are improving the visit module now
It's,
because
it's connected with the CRM, right?
yeah. But right now in ERP Next there is no visit of type available. So we are
No VC, no VC. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So you needed a custom module and you added in this. It's very useful right now.
yeah.
You can also connect with the CRM also this module, visit module. Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have payment as well. So yeah, like if your employee is an account user and if they want to, receive any payment or create any payment entry from the mobile application, it's the same form what we have in ERP Next. Like let's say I'm paying to the supplier. Okay. I think I don't have any supplier in this server, so I will go for the receive. Okay, for now.
Okay.
And I will select the party type, let's say the customer, and I will say, let's say digital word. So right now, already they have 12,000 as an advance balance we have, but still we'll go and add some more. So I can select the account paid from, account paid to. But here the thing is, whatever you can see here, which is all based on the permission. So if you have a permission to see the account, then only you will get the account. So if you are able to create a payment entry in ERP Next, then only you will able to create a payment entry in the mobile application.
Okay, but is it if you have a two three invoice pending, we can map with the invoice. It's possible.
So like once you add the paid amount, right now I think this customer don't have any invoice, but you will get all the invoice. You can allocate the amount the same way you do in the ERP Next, the same way you can do here as well.
And if it is in the case of TDS deductions,
So that I think already ERPNext handle that part. So once when you create an invoice at that time, the based on the TDS deduction, it create the add taxes. I mean the TDS account at the invoice level. So
yeah,
in the
yeah,
payment level, you just need to
yeah.
allocate the payments.
Yeah, but you can note this. I think the sometimes the customers are deducting the invoice on the payment module
Okay,
because
okay,
yeah, there are cases also. I think the
okay, okay,
some there are cases also. I think okay, we can check.
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, sure. I will write it down. I mean,
Yeah,
will note it down.
yeah.
Definitely, we'll see it. Yeah. Then yeah, we have reference number, reference date, the same field which we have in ERPNext. Either you can keep in the draft or you can submit it this application, I mean this payment entry
Yeah.
directly from here. I will keep in draft. So if it is in draft, you can still edit it. You can go and edit. If you want to delete, you can delete it. So that is there. So yeah,
Okay.
so this is about payment entry. We have actually filter as well. So if you want to,
So here also we can submit, right? Draft to submit. Is it possible, right?
yes, yes, yes. So we can able to submit it again. We have to go here and just mark a submit. But uh, we recently added a new functionality. This is not, I think, updated app, but I think that app will be live, I think, on Monday on the App Store and Play Store,
Yeah.
where I think the whole all the document which we have, like in the leave application. Also, if you have a permission to submit this, you will get that button here. If you have permission to cancel or delete, you will get the button. So that is completely permission driven UI we have make now. So
Oh,
yeah,
great, great, great. Okay, 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 okay. So it's a UI will be more effective, right? Use
yes, yes, yes.
more. Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
so before what happened is like if you are, let's say, I am an the I let's say I am manager and I am the only one who is going to be submit this application. So
Yeah.
still I have to go to the ERP and submit that one. But now user can do from the app as well. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. I got. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, and
So
issue
yeah.
is connected with the our ticket issue module. Right? Yeah, I got. I
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
just their attend request. What is attend request?
Which
Sim.
is yeah, which is like a ERP next have that form when if your employee working from the home or the outside at the client side or somewhere, they can request for the attendance from this application. So let's say
Okay. Okay. It's
yeah,
normal. No, normal attendance. It's a request attendance.
yeah,
Someone
it's
needs
a request attendance. Yes,
to mark attendance. Yeah. Yeah.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So that is the one. Then we have timesheet, which is like again a project module, part of the project module and the HR module. So if there is any, if your user want to, the create a timesheet against any project or any activity type, they can, just fill this form and save it. So it will create the timesheet inside the ERP Next.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
apart from that, we have some like we have approvals. This is like specific approval for the HR, only for the leave and expense. So you will, if you are a manager, you will get all the leave under, I mean, your team, all your team leave here. You can approve. If you are a manager, again, I mean, you will get all your team expenses here, and you just go here, fill the sanction amount, and the approve or reject this one. So yeah,
Okay.
so that's approval for the expense and team, but we have another approval which is a workflow request. So if you know about like in ERP Next, you can able to create a workflow for any doc type, right? Like if you want to create a workflow for the purchase order, if you want to
Okay.
create a workflow for the sales invoice, sales order, you can able to do that.
So you
So
are
once you
creating ERP next, right? You are creating
yeah,
the backend.
yeah. So in workflow, if you create any workflow in ERP Next, And if you are authorized person to approve the any request, like I have created a workflow for the attendance request and the expense claim. So I
So
will
all
get
of the workflow requests, if there any we have a role in workflows, that will become here.
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
It's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so even here, like they can able to like let's say this attendance request, but I can see only the ID and the date. But we have here the view option. Okay, so when you
Okay.
click it, you can see the standard print format option here to just to get the details of the document, what it is,
Yeah,
like
you have
what
a
who is
view option
applied.
and download option, right? Both
Yeah,
options. View
yes.
down. View this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And then we have like option to approve, reject, whatever the action you configure in the workflow of ERP Next, you will get all here. Okay, so that is how the workflow request is work. So it is useful for the the management level employees who want to just approve and reject the things. Like anybody create a purchase order, they just go and view it, approve it or reject it, or the send back to the purchase team again to check it. And I think this is very useful at for them.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
it's very useful. I think the ERPNext workflow is a very beautiful feature, right?
yeah,
They have
yes,
many possibilities. I think all the module for the enterprise, it's very effective one. Yeah.
yes. Apart from that, I think in the below, if you go in the dashboard, we have like pending request, which is like you apply for the expense and it is a pending, so that the recent one you can see here. Then you will see your current attendance, current month attendance, the bar here, like how your month is going. And you can see your leave balances here, whatever the leave balance is available for you, and the latest pay slips, which is the latest pay slip for you is available in the system, will be visible here.
Okay. I think you're more focused on the HR related first. I think you started with the HR, then is expanding to other module, right? I think
Actually,
the HR
yes.
employer related everything is useful, and for that scale, it's already a full function for
Yeah.
employee,
So yeah,
right?
actually, I started only with two. I think two form. One is leave, one is expense. Okay, I start and check in, check out. Yeah, obviously. So
Okay. Okay.
I started with this three. Actually, the story behind that is like when I implemented like ERP Next for any client, they always say like for the employee, we want some mobile friendly, the UI. They can just go and apply for the leave, make an expense claim like that. So I created before this multiple, the specific customer application for them. But after that I realized like let's build the only the one application I can able to resell to the multiple customer instead of maintaining the multiple application source code. So after that I started with only 2 3 feature, and gradually I even many of feature is sponsored by my client only. So like sales order is sponsored by one of our client which name is Polinegro. The payment entry is also sponsored by them only. So yeah,
Oh,
many of them sponsored by them only. Yes.
yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Yeah. So you particularly customizing for like adding to that, add this feature to this application.
Even right now also we are open. Like when you suggest something, if it is useful for everybody, and if you are the ready to sponsor that, we are happy to 50% sponsorship we keep, and we add that feature and publicly release for everybody. So like that we also do.
Yeah, that's great, right? That's great, right. Yeah,
So
so
yeah,
I
that's
definitely will
how.
check that because I will do. I will work on this and I will use it in internally and definitely will update my review video. Definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. And also planning to implement one of my client. They have looking for this. Yeah.
Yes. We have also like added some basic feature. I will show you. So this is not available in ERP Next and Frappe framework, but we create. I mean, obviously the doc types and all in ERP Next. The structure is also maintaining in ERP Next. So it is for the inside community kind of. So employee can create a poll, create a post. They can and other people can see it, like it, comment it. So engagement inside the company for that. And even
Yeah.
company can like the organization can share the updates, like using the post. They can just share the update, like now what is, let's say, the new product launching is coming, so they can able to create a new post and publish into the internal community as well.
It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Really, really, it's because I think you can refer Zoho applications because they're building many this kind of very micro level user perspective features. So
Yes,
definitely you
yes.
can refer Zoho one plan. I can suggest you some features and some child share some details. We can have
Okay.
one call. Yeah, definitely, because it will be very useful.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay. Definitely. Yes. 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 So yeah. Then the last thing we have, the uh, that is a profile section. So we have only here the very good feature which I like most, which is a theme. We have some 3 or 4 theme created, and which is like
Oh,
you just
okay.
change.
It's a luxury. You
Yeah,
start a luxury.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So I like this feature very much actually. I am thinking to add a new theme. The new theme from the Apple. I'm thinking to add that theme as well in this app. So yeah,
So you're doing the labeling also, right? So they can brand their identity in your application. That's
yes,
also
yes, yes, yes.
okay. Okay, it's a great stuff, really. Okay, and sure, because I think the ERP next by application and by scope is it's very heavy, and what I feel this is right. It's like we can make it handy. Yeah, that's a real stuff because future is that what I feel. It's not like someone sit like entering. It's not the
Uh,
future. Yeah, when I feel
yes,
the RPNext, that's a drawback because when I come from Zoho, because I'm more experienced with Zoho, it's very handy, it's very tiny, and people love it. People love it to do things, but that level of user experience built. But
yes,
the both market is entirely different. The
yes,
user can use the ERPNext, and ERPNext user can use not the
yes,
Zoho. Because I think the Zoho has made a small and medium scale industry, moreover the service industry, but they're building exciting user experience. So
yeah, yeah, yeah.
user experience, people buy the user experience, and really I feel really I feel
Yes,
because people want that. People use in living days, they're using the application Zomato, whatever the application, the UI level is very great, so people used to it. So they're benchmarking that user level in their business application, whatever. What I feel right now, they're
yes,
benchmarking that level of user experience. But there are many limitations when you do come then the commercial application with the custom user, custom possibilities and limitation workflow. It's very limited, but that level you can contribute a lot, definitely. So I'm
yeah,
very excited to see the more features, and definitely
yeah,
in future also an updated version will show that,
yeah.
definitely. And anyway, I think someone want to look. It's an interactive session. We'll get an idea how this application, and definitely I will give you a number details in the description. People can access about Bhavesh anyway. So thank you so much, Bhavesh. I think it's useful, and
Thank you so much, Rishabh.
yeah,
Yeah,
so much. Let's open. Let's open. This is the great stuff. I'm
yeah.
expecting more improvement. Definitely, I will give you a review about this. So I'm working on it. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
okay.
Anything you can add?
I think, yeah, only just go and try it out and let me
Yeah.
know any feedback, anything. We are here, like, we want to, make it more user friendly, more features. We have so many features in a plan. So yeah,
Yeah, definitely. I'll give you the feedback. I will give the feedback. Definitely share the user experience detail. You can improve
yeah.
it. Definitely.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let's see positively. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
the
you so
time.
much.
For the
Thank
time.
you.